to my channel. Long time no see, but we're not going to talk about that right now. We just gonna get into this video. Okay, so obviously if you click on this video, you want to know how to do these short little marley twists. Spring break is right around the corner and it's going to be happening soon unless it already happened for you. I'm currently on spring break and this is a super cute and easy hairstyle to do. And if spring break already passed you, guess what? Summer is coming up, baby. Okay. So of course in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this super cute short marley twist. Now I'm not exactly sure that is what it's called. Every time I try to look up this hairstyle, I try to achieve this certain look that I had in my head, I would always get passion twist as a result whenever I looked it up. Passion twist is not what I wanted because I didn't want to get that type of hair. I wanted to get more of a marley type of hair or something that is going to match my hair texture better without me having to put heat on it or flat iron my hair. Lucky for you, this was a heatless hairstyle. I did not have to put any type of heat, and in fact I actually spray my hair with water every now and then to help it look more intact. So again, this is great if you're going swimming, if you're going on vacation, if you want something quick and easy that's not gonna take as long as a full head of box braids, okay? Or a wig or anything like that. You want something super cute, easy, something that you could do yourself and something that's super duper affordable. I got you. This hairstyle cost me about 25 to 30 bucks all together, including all the hair gel, the beads, everything. I did not have to pay a lot to achieve this hairstyle. Hey, okay, this is my baby blue. So of course, if you are curious on how to achieve this hairstyle, please keep watching and you will see how to achieve it. Okay, so we're starting on freshly washed hair. Yeah. Alright y'all, so as y'all seen in that or heard in that last clip, I'm starting on freshly washed hair. And we're going to be moisturizing the hair with the Double Butter Cream by TGIN. And I did this in the shower, so it's already moisturized. And y'all, this stuff had my hair feeling like literal butter. Like my hair was so soft, it felt so moisturized. It was literally amazing. So as you guys see here, I am detangling my hair. I part my hair into 4 different sections and I'm detangling each section one at a time, and just of course just working in sections to make my life a lot easier before I begin pre-parting my hair. I prefer to pre-part my hair before I begin braiding my hair or putting it into any protective style, just so I can make sure the parts look exactly how I want them to before I commit to a full length of braid. So I don't know the parting method that I use, but this is the parting method I feel like a lot of people use. This is the one you typically see with knotless braids, if you know what I mean. I think it's called the bricklayer style parting. I don't know off the top of my head, so please don't quote me on it. But this is just typically the one I see most often whenever I look up protective styles. So I went ahead and just pre-parted my whole entire head so that I don't have to worry about sectioning my hair as I go. I could just grab a section and start twisting. So I have this Twisting Marley Kinky Curly Hair by Expression. I don't know the exact name of the line because I forgot to check before I did, but I will put it down in the description box below. And then as you just seen, we have some elastic bands and some Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Oil, which I'm using that oil onto the elastics so that they do not rip my hair out. And then of course we got some Eco Styler as well as some Shine and Jam just to keep that hair in place, if you know what I mean. So I'm applying that Shine and Jam at the base of my hair, also with a little bit of edge control as well, since it's at the base and the perimeter of my head. And I began wrapping that elastic around the hair. So basically I'm making a little mini ponytail. From there, I'm grabbing that crochet needle and I'm sticking that through underneath the elastic where the base of my little mini ponytail is. Go ahead and pull a piece of hair through that, twist or braid. I don't know how to explain this part. And then we're just going to start twisting, and I do not twist in a super neat manner. I go ahead and try to make it just a little bit not neat so that we can have that little kinky curly type of look. I don't want them to be too neat. That's just not the goal that I'm going for. And you could twist them as neat as you would like or as messy as you would like. I just prefer to have it messy. So I go ahead and rinse and repeat and basically do this all over my whole entire head. And And I'm also going to have another example at the front of my head where y'all could see what I'm doing way easier and clearer. I'm going to explain it one more time once we get to the front of my head. So far we are looking cute. Okay, so we're at the front of my head. All right, so we're going to start with this Eco Styler gel. And we're going to put that at the base of my head as well as some edge control. I didn't show the edge control, but I like to put edge control towards the base of my head just to give it a little bit more hold so that my baby hairs don't come flying out. And then we're going to go ahead and wrap that elastic around our head. And we put that Eco Styler not at the root, but at the rest of my hair. We're going to twist up the braiding hair as small as possible, and then we're going to pull it through underneath the elastic on our hair so that it's underneath the elastic, and the elastic is holding both your hair and the braiding hair together. So I'm just pulling my hair so that it's nice and taut and the elastic is securely holding everything together, and I'm just going to go ahead and start twisting down. I'm adding Eco Styler as I go just to help with any flyaways, and I am trying to make it sort of as messy as possible while also making it look presentable. I don't want it to be super neat. That's not the look that I'm going for. And then of course we're just gonna rinse and repeat around the rest of my head. And this is what it's looking like so far. I know the ends are looking treacherous. Do not look at the ends, okay? Alright, so I'm just cutting off the excess ends just to make sure that everything is the exact length that I am looking for it to be. I don't have to worry about it later when I'm putting the beads on. All right, hello again. So we started on a new day. I didn't have time to do this the day before, so this is the step where we just start beading these beads on. So as you see, I'm putting 3 beads onto the crochet needle, and I'm grabbing the end of the twist, pulling it through, and of course securing it with a hair tie. I don't know exactly how to explain this step, but you want to fold the very end of the hair over the last bead, so the 3rd bead, and you want to fold it over and then secure it on top of the bead with a little elastic, and that's the way to get the beads to stay on your head. I honestly do not think that I explained that properly, and I'm so sorry if I didn't, but that's just the best way I know how to explain it. Alright, so this is not the finished product. Next thing we have to do is we have to go ahead and set our hair, baby. We gotta make sure everything is good. So we're gonna take our rosemary mint oil, and I just like to oil my scalp just to make sure that my scalp isn't getting irritated from the tight parts and the tension or anything like that. I like to make sure my scalp is nice and, I don't want to say moisturized because this is an oil, but I just want to make sure my scalp is feeling soothed. Then we're taking this Lot of Body setting mousse, and we're just going to go ahead and put that all over the twisty twist, and we're going to use a lot of it, just like that. I just lost my earring. As you can see, my earring just came out my ear, and then we're gonna have to wait. Okay, so now we are going to secure that into a little bun, a little cute little bun, and then we're gonna put our scarf on, and this is gonna help set it all into place because it's a little puffy. And that's that. We're done. Well, welcome back everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed that little tutorial on how to achieve these super cute, short, mini Marley twist things, whatever you want to call them. Are you good, fam? Put you down. Because you too big. If you did end up enjoying the video and you actually did do the hairstyle and you achieved it and you liked it, let me know down in the comments below, or let me know if there's anything I can improve on or anything that I could do better, or any recommendations you have. Please let me know kindly down below in the comments, and also tag me on Instagram, show me on Instagram. I'll link my Instagram in this video as well, so you can do that. And yeah, that's that. I'm really glad you guys watched my video and I love you. So